Hello friends, welcome to World GK. In this video, we are going to discuss about CAPF Assistant Commandant Examination 2022. We will see preparation strategies, syllabus, exam pattern, some important dates of the examination, eligibility criteria for the examination, and much more things about the CAPF AC examination, such as how to download admit card, what are the venues for the examination, what is the CAPF AC examination, and how it is benefiting the students. So without further delaying, let's start the lecture. If you are new to our channel, please share this channel and subscribe to the channel. Now, the Central Armed Police Force is the largest unit with 3,13,678 personnel in 239 battalions. The Central Armed Police Force Assistant Command Examination recruits personnel into Border Security Force, that is BSF, Assam Rifles, Central Reserve Police Force, that is CRPF, and CISF, that is Central Industrial Security Force, ITBP, that is Indo-Tibetan Border Police, NSG, National Security Guards, and Sashastra Seema Bal. The UPSC CAPF examination is conducted every year to recruit candidates for the post of Assistant Commandants in Central Armed Police Forces. Now let us see exam notifications. The online application form will be available from April 2022, 4th week. Last date to submit the form is May 2022, 3rd week. Admit card will be released in July 2022 and the exam will be conducted on August 2022. The result will be declared in September. After that, physical efficiency test will be conducted, an interview will be conducted, and then the final result will be declared in December. Moving further, let us see eligibility criteria for the exam. 1. The candidate should be Indian national, that is nationality should be Indian. Age limit is in between 20 to 25 years. Educational qualification, the candidate must have bachelor degree from recognized university or institute. The candidate must be physically fit and must have height, eyesight and general health according to the standard of the given. Now let us see some age relaxations which are given. It is 5 years age relaxation is given for SC or ST candidate, 3 years for a OBC candidate, 5 years for civilian central government servants in accordance with the existing instructions of the central government, 5 years for ex-servicemen, and 5 years for candidates who had ordinarily been domiciled in Jammu and Kashmir during 1st January 1980 to the 31st of December 1989. Moving further, the selection process, which is divided into 3 parts. The first, candidates have to write a written examination, then there will be physical and medical examination. After that, a physical efficiency test will be conducted and final list will be prepared based on these 3 tests. Now let us see exam pattern. For the written test, there will be 2 papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 will be objective type and paper 2 will be descriptive type. Now let us see in detail what are these paper 1 and paper 2. For paper 1, which is of general ability and intelligence, there will be 4 options for each question, that is objective type questions. Duration will be 2 hours. Total questions are 125 and total marks are 250. The medium of exam are Hindi and English. And the paper 2, that is general studies and essay and comprehension, descriptive type questions will be given, and the duration is 3 hours. Total marks are 200. There will be 7 questions. Now let's talk about the physical efficiency test. That is, a candidate must clear these standards in physical efficiency test: 100-meter race, 800-meter race, long jump and shot put. For 100-meter race, main candidates time bound given 60 seconds, for women 18 seconds. For 800-meter race, 3 minutes and 45 seconds for men and 4 minutes 45 seconds for women. Long jump 3.5 meter, 3 chances, and for women there will be 3 meter with 3 chances. For shot put 7.26 kg, 4.5 meter for men. Now moving forward to syllabus. The syllabus for general ability test is History of India, Indian Geography and World Geography, General Science, Current Events of National and International Importance, General Mental Ability, Indian Polity and Indian Economy. Now the syllabus for General Intelligence is given here: arithmetical reasoning, analogies, ranking, coding, decoding, relationship concepts, statement confusion, etc., arrangement, problem solving, syllogisms, spatial orientation, space visualization, analysis, decision making, visual memory, arithmetic number series, and figural classification. Now let us see the syllabus for essay and comprehension. That is comprehension, communication, essay writing, report writing, language skill, grammar, vocabulary, prose writing, counter argument. While talking about the application fee, the application fee for UPSC CAPF for male candidates is rupees 200, and for female and SC/ST candidates fee is exempted. Here exam centers are given where the CAPF AC 2022 exam will be conducted all over the India. Moving further, let's talk about admit card. The candidates can download UPSC CAPF 2022 admit card from the official website. The admit card has been released on November 2022. Admit card will contain details of candidate such as roll number, name, venue, exam timing. Candidate need to carry admit card to examination hall, otherwise will not be allowed in the examination. Now let's see steps to download admit card. First, visit the official website of UPSC, that is @upsc.gov.in. Then go on home page of UPSC. Right side admit card selection will be present. Click on admit card, then search for UPSC CAPF Assistant Commandant admit card 2022. Then click on the link, enter the registration number, password and date of birth and other details. Click submit button. Now your admit card will be shown on the screen. Download it and make a copy for future use. This is the end of the video. If you have liked the video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.